Hello dear students, I hope all of you might have gone through the previous videos. There we are in the process of learning about the sentences, and in our previous video we learned how to make the sentences, and recently also we learned how to transform a sentence, changing a statement into an interrogative sentence, and again that interrogative sentences, how can be changed into a statement. All that things I think all of you have gone through the previous video and you have understood. So in today's topic we will know about the subject and predicate of the sentence. So subject means what and predicate means what, that we will try to learn from this video. Please try to concentrate and try to listen attentively. So all these things are written here, you please try to read it. A sentence can be divided into two parts. One is subject part, another is your predicate part. So what does that mean? So the the part which names the person or thing we are speaking about is called this subject part. So you can see the part about in the part some naming part will be there. So we may be speaking about somebody, speaking about something, so the naming part will become this subject there. And if you go through this exercises and examples, you will be able to understand everything properly. So have patience and listen carefully. Okay, so now look at the next one. The part which tells something about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. So you can see, look at this example here. The subject is given and predicate is given in the two different parts. Then first sentence it is written, he smiled. Who smiled? He smiled. So we are telling about he. We are telling about him, somebody. Okay, what did he do? That is, he smiled. So we are telling about somebody, and that the particular person or the thing become the subject here. And what did he do? That we are telling about his work, and that becomes the predicate. So he smiled, he become the subject, and smiled become the predicate. Similarly, look at the second sentence, they laughed. So they laughed, we are telling about them, and what did they do? So about them means that become the subject, and what did they do? That become the predicate. Similarly, look at third one, Priti sang. What did we are telling about Priti, and what did she do? So naming part become the subject, and what she did become the predicate. And similarly, there are many other things, examples are also there. You may please try to read all this one through your book, and you can see the subject and predicate are given here. A black cat entered the kitchen. We are telling about the black cat, and what did the black cat do? That is given in the predicate part. Similarly, look at the next one, those naughty boys were punished. We are telling about the naughty boys. What happened to them is given in the predicate part. So the subject part and predicate part, you try to understand them carefully. And look at third one, his elder son is a doctor. So his elder son, about the elder son we are telling, and what he is, this is described in the predicate part. So look at here and try to understand. A tall soldier with a long mustache stepped forth. So we are telling about a tall soldier with a long mustache. So what did he do is given in the predicate part. So one thing you can notice here, subject may be a single word, subject may be many number of words, and it may be a longer group of words also it can be. And similarly, predicate can also be sometimes a single word, and also it may be stretched to any number of words and any length of the words. Okay, so like that way, there is no such rule regulation or no such type of thing. So sometimes it become a single word or single letter also, and that is what we have to be very careful and try to learn about. So let us do with the exercises related to this. I think you might have done with this type of exercises in your previous classes also. so it won't be a problem for you. But here in exercise 4 I am giving you some of the typical examples, so you may change the answers according to your own ability and understanding. There is no restriction for that one, but you try to make it correctly as far as possible. So you can see exercise 4, complete the following sentences to convey complete sense. Sense means here meaning. In order to bring out the complete meaning, you have to add something to the given subjects here. Look at the first one. A tall soldier with a gun in his hands. What you can add up here? I have added up here, marched towards the border. Marched towards the border. So you can also say stopped the car or blocked the road. Also you can write many other things, and fired out from his gun, and also you like that way many things you can add up there. Whatever that are coming in your mind, you may write there. There is no restriction of your thought and expression. You please try to do it from your mind. If you are able to do it from your mind, that is always better, but you please try to make it correctly. Okay, next, number 2. These naughty boys are always, I have written making noise. Naughty boys are making noise. The naughty boys are always punished. Also you can write. Also the naughty boys are always disturbing in the classes. Also you can write. Also they are playful always, like that. Also you can write many other things that you can write, adapt there to give a complete sense of this sentences. Okay, next, number 3. Some children came to help. Some children came, then I have added to help the poor. So some children came running out of the field, like that. Also you can write many other things can be also be written. Next, number 4. We know, then you can add up something, what the truth is, or how to score better mark, like that way. Also you can write. Many things can be written. Please try to write it from your mind. It is always better to have some writing from your own ability, from your own mind. Please do it. Then somebody has broken dash is given. My expensive vase, or somebody has broken my table, somebody has broken my pen, somebody has broken my glass, like that type of thing also you can write. Next, number 6. Taking photograph in the zoo is not allowed, I have written. Is an offense, also I have written. Offense means that is a punishable action, that is a crime. Okay, so like that way also you can write. Taking photograph in the zoo is not permitted, also you can write. Next, number 7. You should help the poor and needy. I have written that the poor and needy. You should help the people, those who are asking for your help. Like that way also you can complete the sentences. Number 8. The chairman of the company announced a holiday. I have written. Announced a bonus for the workers. Also you can write. Announce a feast and party for the workers. Also you can write. There is no harm. So I think all of you can do this one. Please try to learn this particular exercise, and please try to know about the subject and predicate properly. In the next video we will be doing with the remaining things. Don't worry, and keep yourself safe and sound. Thank you for listening.